it's not about the fastest cycle time. It's how fast you are, how agile you are in your changeover. This video is all about getting through the work as fast as possible in the job shop environment. So if you work in a job shop or in 1 to 5 off production, you're going to want to keep watching. In the environments where your profitability really comes from doing things as fast as possible, there are some key elements that I see with the companies that I work with that make them successful, help them improve their margins, speed up that turnaround, and really make them competitive. So much so that the customers just keep coming back. I also find that companies in the other category who do not choose to implement these seem to have trouble keeping workers, getting work, and making a good profit on it, which usually leads to them turning work away. Obviously, not what we're in this business for. In manufacturing, we're here to make our customers' dreams come true, to work with engineering, to bring the products to the end users. Okay, so what am I talking about? Common tooling is something that it's either in your shop as a culture already, or it's just simply never thought of. I know when I started in manufacturing and I started moving my way up the ranks to the point where I'm running the jobs and handing out work, one of the things that really helped me speed up those changeovers was having as much common tooling possible in the machines preloaded. Things like face mills, a standard roughing end mill, a standard finishing end mill, and these tools would work for the bulk of the jobs that I put through. Why does this speed me up? Well, then I'm not thinking, gee, what am I going to use to face this part? Gee, what am I going to use to rough this part? Gee, what am I going to use to finish it? When I have those common tools already there, whether it can do the whole part or not, it still allows me to chain and quickly program those features I know. There's that balance, right, between getting the perfect tool or getting the tool that works for 90% of your work. The ease of being able to click, 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 go, and then it's already posting and running really outweighs the need to select the perfect tool every single time. Of course, this does get easier when you have different machines for different material groups. However, it's still worth the investment to find common tooling. They may only run at 90% of what the perfect tool could. However, the time you save on changeover, the time you save picking out that tool pays dividends in the end. In the end, when you're running really small runs, it's not about the fastest cycle time. It's how fast you are, how agile you are in your changeover. And that's really what I want to convey to you here. If you need any support picking out those tools, I would be happy to work with you so you can select the ones that make the most sense for the bulk of the work you tend to see. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.